Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video we are going to talk about Capital.com. We are going to talk about what it actually is, what experience they're providing, and also what they're into. So buckle up. Capital.com voted the most innovative tech 2021 by TradingView. It is a multi-award winning global investment trading platform authorized and regulated by the UK's Financial Conduct Authority, the Cyprus Securities and Exchange Commission, and the Australian Securities and Investment Commission. Recognized for its quality 24/7 customer support, seamless trading experience, and competitive fees, Capital.com is a fast emerging leader in European leveraged trading industry. I would say, if you want to compare it to something, I would say it's most likely like eToro, but it's more oriented toward European business and European stocks. So if you want to basically trade in this app or this software, it's very easy if you're from Europe. They are taking care of you. As you can see on the right side, you can get in touch with them with multiple of options, also WhatsApp and many more. I believe there's Messenger, mail, message. Basically all you have to do is create an account and explore your options. They will give you some kind of hints, or they will show you the way how to invest your money. If you're a small business and you want to step up your game in trading, or if you're individual or even freelancer, you can rely on Capital.com. So they are providing really nice competitive fees, as you saw before. And for example, you have to always log in, and we are going to do it in the next video. But you can check the levels of Bitcoin, same as you check at, for example, at eToro. You see that Bitcoin doesn't have the greatest year so far. So yeah, I believe same goes with Ethereum as well. As you can see, the live evaluation of the cryptocurrencies at the moment. So you see buyers 86%, sellers 14%, and it goes like this. So that's about the Capital.com. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. Have a great day and goodbye.